What's up, guys? Good morning. Finally got the car up in the air. Last time looking at the consoles, these were a set of temporary wheels. I had them for about 2 months. I bought these because they were in perfect spec and I got them for a really good price while I was waiting for new wheels to either be built or to find a set, and I finally found the right set. Hopefully they fit good. These actually grew on me. At first I didn't really like them at all, but they look good. Not bad for some cheap wheels, but definitely not what I wanted for this car. But yeah, now let's go ahead and take them off and get them ready for the new owner. He's actually on the way to pick them up right now. I always said I would never get a set of replica wheels, but I had no complaints with these. I actually started to like them, so we'll see if I miss them. Just like that, Consays are gone. I actually sold them for more than what I paid, only because I got a discount on them, which is always good. Finally, I've been waiting for this for a minute. Hated running those cheap wheels. I mean, they looked good, but wasn't my actual style. So finally got my 3-piece in. Let's see, gonna do a little unboxing. I haven't even seen him yet in person, so we'll see. The dude literally just dropped them off. It's crazy, it's still early. Let me see. It's probably the earliest I've ever gotten a package. 9:45 in the morning. God damn. I don't know if this is a rear or front. Jeez. Let me get them all opened up first before I show you guys. Damn. This is it. Bruh. SSR SP3s. Jeez, they look so good. I'm actually gonna go ahead and test them now, make sure they clear my brakes, see how we're doing fitment wise. Big old box of spacers for times like this. Let's see, 12 mil. Definitely need a spacer. I still need a spacer to clear the caliper, but this is what it looks like. Damn, these look so good. I'm so hyped. That'll clear. No worries. It's literally perfect. Once I put the tire on, it'll sit lower. It'll be good. So close. I love fender to lip fitment, but I want to tuck the rear so I could go as low as possible. Literally 1 degree of camber will fix this. So once I get my tires on, take it to my boy for an alignment, and then shit should be perfect. So hyped on these. Can't wait to get the tires on. They come in tomorrow, actually. Finally back home, got the tires mounted. Dude, I'm so hyped. These are crazy. I'm so hyped. We'll be able to tuck that for sure. I don't know about right now, but guaranteed I only need like a degree more of camber. Let's get the front on. Perfect clearance. Yeah, that pokes like crazy, but pretty sure it's gonna be fun to look. Alright, wheels are all torqued down. Now time for the moment of truth. See if this thing fits. It kinda sucks. Well, for sure I was gonna camber in the rear. I still have a lot to go. Tiny little camber, it'll tuck perfectly. Those are fine, but the fronts, it sits right here. I could either, I don't know, I'm gonna see if I could add a little spacer, like a smaller one. I do have a 12 on, just because I need to clear the caliper. Maybe I could try like a 7, 8 mil, or maybe even just a 10. Then I could even go ahead and shave down this little lip on the tire. That should help as well. But damn, this looks crazy. Just pulled up to the homie's shop, RTA. This was in my last video where we get all of our alignments and all that. About to get this fitment. The only place I trust to take my car for alignments. I think it'll tuck, we'll see.
Oh my gosh.
It's literally perfect. I'm so hyped. It's crazy. The fronts are literally perfect too. Fender lip in the front. Tuck in the rear. So hyped. This thing's crazy now. It's way better. That's it. SSR's finally on. Fitment dialed.